Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use Zapier with Shopify. First of all, open the web browser. Here, search Zapier. Open the site. Click to create Zap for new Zap. Then click on first step called Trigger. Select the trigger as Shopify. Choose the event as New Order. Now click to continue. Here, test your trigger. Then skip the test. After that, select the action as Google Sheet. The event should be Create Spreadsheets. Click on Continue. Fill the form and give the title name. Choose the spreadsheet as Untitled Spreadsheet. Click on Continue. Then skip this test for action. Press the Publish button. Now your Zap is created. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.